Welcome to 5/8 Seams. Have you ever wondered why we store our fabric the way we do? What we do is we take that raw edge and fold it up to the fold on the fabric and put a bolt buddy on. This makes it nice and neat so you can see it on the shelves. And while we're doing that, let's just talk about how beautiful this Favorite Flowers collection by Ruby Star Society is. We absolutely love it, but I will tell you it is selling quickly, so if you're interested, I would come in soon. And this collection came with a wide back, which is a 108, and we pre-cut it into 3 yards, which is 108 by 108. This is it right here, and you can use these for so many projects. So when you have a giant piece of fabric like that, you can make a duvet cover, a shower curtain, use it as a quilt back, maybe even a circle skirt. So many possibilities. This is a beautiful fabric. We have 5 of them in stock, so come in and check us out. We're located in Charleston, South Carolina, but we also sell a lot of our fabrics online.